What is investment? Are they stocks, mutual funds, real estate, index funds? Can we invest in them only? The answer is no. In today's YouTube video, we will know what is investment, how many types of investment are there, at what age should we invest, where should we invest, what is investment? By investing, we invest our money in a right place by buying stocks or property of a company. After a long time, when we have the need of money, we can sell them and use our money as per our need. But this invested money is quite a lot. For example, if you invest $24 per month in Nifty and keep increasing it by 10% every year, then after 40 years, you will have around $5,77,604. How many types of investment are there? Stocks, mutual funds, banks. Is investing your money in these only an investment? If this is not the answer, then the answer is no, because there is not just one type of investment, but many types of investment, like buying a Rolex watch, real estate, gold jewelry, paintings or expensive pictures, buying an expensive car, buying Bitcoin, PPF, NPF. These are called types of investment in which you can invest now and make a good profit by selling that thing after a long time. At what age should one invest? If the app is 16 or 17 years old and the monthly income of the app is $5,000, then the app should invest $250 per month for a 40-year-old. If you invest for this and get 11.23% return per year, then you will now have more than $1 million, which will be enough for you to live your old age. This is called, at what age should investment be made, which can be useful with time. Where should investment be made? If you like to take risk in life, then you can invest your money in share market or stock market, in which you can get return also. Otherwise, you can lose money also. Like share market has crashed now, which can happen anytime. Better than this, will your money be spent in painting? Or you can also invest in buying photographs, which will also remain in your home. If you don't have money, you can sell them and get more money than the invested money. Billionaires make such investments on which they are also taxed, and in the eyes of the government, they also remain a businessman.